Where can you find a burger inspired by flavors from near and far that mixes the smoky with the sass of the South?
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in northeastern Kentucky, Jefferson County in northeastern Kentucky, until 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Louisville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and baseball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect hail damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Louisville. For your protection, move to an interior room of the lowest floor of a building.
Introducing Nintendo Score 64 and win at Taco Bell. Just peel the coin off the lid, Score 64, and you could win an N64 system,